Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about how we approach online examination. Myself, CMA Afsal Alungal. In this video, we will discuss about how we should approach, how we should prepare for the upcoming online examination. As we all know, the notification is issued by the institute regarding online examination. The upcoming exam is in online mode. For foundation, it is home-based examination. For inter and final, it is center-based online examination. So, I prepared a PDF regarding this, how you should approach, you should focus, what are the key areas for the online examination. So, let's start. The first question comes into your mind that will this change in the mode of examination from offline to online affect your learning methodology or preparation strategy? We know in institute website we can download all the previous year question papers, RTPs, MTPs. It's all based on the offline examination, offline mode of examination. So the question comes in the students' mind that sir, we can use the offline resources, offline mode resources to the online examination. The answer for this question, you will get the answer in the end of the video. So I will show you some of the model of question asked in the offline mode of examination. You can see in the screen, this is a question from the GST in the previous pattern, that is offline pattern question asked by the institute in the examination. So it's a simple question, it's a 10-mark question. You can see this is the question: find the GST liability, if any, for the month. All the details are given: room rent, furniture rent, all the input tax credit details, the GST rates applicable, all the details are given. So the question simply says find the GST liability, if any. So in offline we write like this, working note for calculation of GST, then we will present our answer in a nice way. So the institute converted this type of question into another type of question. Question is same, the case study is given, you can see in the screen, the case study is given, but the question, pattern of the question, or let's say the stepwise calculation is converted into each question. You can see here, first question, what will be his long-term capital gain? Second question, what will be his taxable income? These two questions is asked from the above case study. Then for each question they given a separate mark. So this is how institute is converting offline question into online question. So all the previous resources, all the RTP, MTP, previous year question papers, you can focus, you can study from that. But this is a minor change. This is the change, actual change in the examination. It will come, question will come, examination like this. A case study, then each step will convert into a question, and institute will provide 4 options, A, B, C, D. Sir, how or what type of questions will ask in online examination? In the previous attempt, analyzing that attempt, you can see there are 2 type of questions came, that is multiple choice question and also descriptive theory question. Multiple MCQs will be based upon a single question or a case study. For instance, in case of practical purpose like costing, accounts, tax, numerical problems would be given in the form of a case scenario. They will give a case scenario, and multiple MCQs would then be based upon that numerical problem, 1, 2, 3, and for that one they will give A, B, C, D 4 options. You can see this is the, for example, you can see this how institute is asking case study, and based on that case study, questions and 4 options will be there. Then a tip from my side in order to solve these type of question, practical questions. Step number 1, read the entire question thoroughly. Step number 2, take a quick glance at all multiple choice questions. What are the questions asked from that case study relating to that practical problem, and make a note of the part you are required to solve, and make a note which questions are asked and what are the parts you are required to solve. And step number 3, solve the entire practical problem in a rough sheet. Rough sheet is allowed, just like you would do in offline examination, in written examination. Solve the entire question and use your solution, that solution, to answer the MCQs. So this is the difference. The only change that is required is in your approach would be to ensure that your solution gives the answer to all the questions raised in the multiple choice question. So this is it. This is the change from offline examination. Then general MCQ relating to the concept which are independent of each other questions will also ask. These questions will easier, much simpler to solve if you have a sound understanding of the concepts. Okay. And one important thing, that is no negative marking for incorrect answer. No negative marking. So you should attend all the questions, all the MCQs, because no negative mark is there. If you don't know one particular question, don't know the answer for that one particular question, don't worry, pick a ABCD, pick one from that 4 options and tick that answer. Which answer you feel may be right. Okay, answer all the question even if you do not know the correct answer. Even if your solution does not provide the answer to a particular question, you may still choose any option which is most appropriate according to you. Okay. And a few descriptive or subjective questions will also ask in the form of writing short note or explanation, and we should type that answer in the space provided by the institute. To prepare for such questions, you are advised to do some typing practice to increase your speed in typing, or upload your answer after writing on paper. In the earlier attempt, it is allowed to Hindi medium students. Okay. If you are uploading your answers, ensure that you write in neat sheet of paper and scan them properly. Then, how to make note while doing your preparation or classes. How to make notes for online examination while attending your classes. As discussed in the previous section, the type of questions remain the same. This is important. The type of question remains the same. So there would be no change in the learning methodology. This is why I said the question, the answer for that question is you will get answer for that question in the end of the video. This is the answer. No change in the learning methodology. You should complete the syllabus and prepare the note for the same manner as you would do in the offline examination. Note should be prepared and presented properly, well assessed in your revision. Moreover, to become a knowledgeable professional, it is essential to focus on clarity in concepts rather than just aiming to clear the examination. Okay. So, how to practice for exams? As part of your preparation, you should attempt mock test to acquaint yourself with the online platform. Institute will issue online mock test portal for intermediate and final. Today, institute issued online mock test, opened the online mock test portal for the foundation students. Hope institute will soon open the mock test portal for intermediate and final. So utilize that online mock test portal and prepare very well for your online examination. You should appear for online test provided by the institute before exams for all the subjects. Practice very well. Okay. What should be your exam strategy? This is the next question. Since most of the questions are in the form of multiple choices, There is no need to follow all presentation requirement, that is tabular format, working notes, related provision, explanation, etc. to solve the questions. You should present subjective answers properly by dividing your answers into paragraphs and points. You are required to focus on the study material of the institute. It's very important. Focus on the study material of the institute along with study material and notes of your classes. For solving questions, follow the approach and method of the institute. It will you can get this approach from the institute study material. Then I given the mark distribution in question paper of earlier attempt. You can see here CMA Inter, all the papers are available, and also CMA Final, all the papers are available. For upcoming examination, we don't know this pattern is followed or not, but this is the earlier pattern of December 2020 examination. So you can download this PDF if you want from my Telegram channel. I will give the link in the description box. You can join the Telegram channel and you can download this PDF from there. So prepare very well for your examination. I hope your doubt regarding the presentation and preparation of online examination is solved. So all the very best. Prepare well for the examination. Thank you.